Hello everyone. I know that your quarantine is really bore, but please stay home and stay safe. Coming to the AutoCAD, in the last video I told you how to install AutoCAD software 2020 version, and it is student version. But in this video, I'm going to tell you about a few basic tools that plays a major role while we are using AutoCAD. And what you're seeing, this is the AutoCAD console, which is going to display after opening it, and the top home insert parametric view and the line, circle, arc, text, match properties. This is called ribbon tools. And the next I'm going to show you menu bar. This is the file edit. This is the menu bar. These are the tools we are going to use. And at the top left corner you can see this is application menu. In this we have some few file formats, and here first initially we have new. If you want a new drawing, if you want to start a new drawing, you can click on it and click open. A new template will be open for you and you can start a new one. And the next, open. If you want to open an already existing drawing file, you can open through it. And while you're designing your structure, you need to save, and next save as option. And here you need to know some few formats, in what way we have to save and what are the uses of saving in these formats. Initially you need to know what is .jpg. Open your phone and open any photo and open the details, and you can observe that there is a .jpg. The JPG means it is a photo file. .mp3 means it's audio file. .mp4 means it's video file. And the same way, .wg means it's a drawing file. AutoCAD drawing file. .drawing. And the down you can see .w, DWS, DWT, and DXF. DXF means nothing but data exchange format. If you want to open your drawing in another designing software like StatPro, this file will be support for you. This file will be support for you. And the .dws and .dwt. .dwt is the template. I will tell you indeed about that in the layer properties. And .ws, the standards and what units you have to use. I hope you understand all these. .dwg, .drawing, .dw, .dxf, data exchange format is nothing but data exchange format you can open in another softwares. And the next we can go to another option, import and export. This import and export is really something interesting. This is the line I'm going to draw. If you want to save your drawing directly to the PDF, you can click on the PDF and it is going to save in the PDF format. And if you want to bring the PDF format data into your AutoCAD, you have to import it. I think you know the meaning of import and exporting. Same. And you come to the publish. If you want to share your drawing to your friend, mentor, or your boss, you need to open your mail and you have to attach the file, and you have to search initially before attaching. But from here you can send directly. If you click on email, the file will automatically attach. This is the advantage of the publish. And next option, we go to print. I think you know about the print, how to print. And next, drawing utilities. In drawing utilities, the major is units, but first we going to know about drawing properties. Drawing properties means where is your file present in your system. and size, what is the size of your drawing, and the type, which type of drawing, .dw or dxf, whatever. When we come into the units, you can change the units here, that while it is millimeter or centimeter or meters or kilometers or most of Indians we use inches and feet. We could change into that one also. I hope you understand the precision, how much accurate you need your values, and the type decimal. You can observe that engineer architectural, and these are up to units. And next, there's of some other few you are going to know. And the bottom options, you're gonna options and files, display. These are the few options you can directly edit through this properties, and you can change your theme also. I'm going to change into light, it should be white in a color in the background. This way you can change your theme. And next, we're going to see the close. If you want to close the drawings, you can close from here. And the application menu was completed. And the next, at the bottom one, you can see a command line palette. This is very useful, we use frequently this. If you want to draw a line, you can simply click on line and you can draw a line this way. And you can observe these ribbon tools. What is the use of command line palette is, you can observe only the few options, only few tools which are visible on the ribbon tools. See the block properties, only the few one. If you want another one which are not visible here, what we have to do? So if we know the command of the certain tool, we will enter at the command line palette, and that the tool will be ready for execution, the option will be on. So in this way the command line palette is useful. So, and I will show you few commands which are in AutoCAD. And here you can see these are the many more. See, you can see many really. So these are the commands which are present in AutoCAD. So if you enter that you can, if you enter those commands here, we can use the tool directly. That is very time saving. And I hope you understand these two, application menu and ribbon tools, menu bar, and this command line. And I'll show you the 3D modeling. If you on this, you can, if you are by rotating this, the 3D modeling, you can learn this in further. I hope you understand up to now. And in the next video I'm going to tell about the option draw, ribbon tools draw, what are present in that, and annotations and the properties. I hope